So first of all, I would like to tell my all the viewers today I'm just going to connect Shivani ma'am. And Shivani ma'am, just give me your introduction to my viewers so that they can get to know about you.
Yeah, sure. First of all, thank you so much for inviting me, and I'm really happy to have this conversation with you. So, as you know, my name is Shivani. I hail from beautiful state Himachal Pradesh and currently based in Delhi. I have completed my graduation and also have a diploma in electronics mechanics. And at present, I'm working in private sector alongside my professional career. I'm actually working on my English fluency and strengthening my communication skills because I believe continuous learning is the key to professional and personal growth.
Yes.
And when it comes about my hobbies, I enjoy singing, reading books, and watching podcasts. So yeah,
Wow.
that's little about me. Thank you so much. So
Okay.
yeah.
So it was really very good introduction, and I would like to ask you a few questions and let me know about my viewers that yes, my name is Rinki Sharma, and I've been taking my classes on YouTube channel. And guys, this is the very I think first no first I'm talking about it's a fifth time when I'm taking session. So I very few session I have taken right now. So this is my fifth maybe. Okay, so ma'am, I'm just going to ask you something that just tell me what makes you motivate all the time. So you feel that yes, I have to do something productive in my life. Not only working in the office, it's my choice, but yes, something else I have to do in my life. So what makes you motivated all the time?
Okay, so yeah, it's difficult sometimes. We don't feel motivated every time. So what I do, okay, what I'm doing, I'm just focus on that thing. Okay,
Hmm.
just forget all the things. If I'm working at my office, then I'm just only working about my what I'm doing. Actually, it is my uh, it is related my emails, related my data, so I'm just focusing on that. So
Hmm.
I think it's a best way to avoid all your problems, all your unavoidable things. So
Yes.
it really helps me. I tried many times it, and when I come home, then I also do same things with my
Hmm.
household chore. I just forget all the office things. Okay, what happened in my office, just forget it, and just focus on your household chores and your me time. Uh,
Yes.
and most important thing is how can I motivate it? When means it is really important you feel motivated, and it happens when you sit with yourself and
Hmm.
ask questions from yourself and know about yourself. Actually, you talk about yourself to you only, not someone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So and just make a list, just make a list like your short term goals, your
Yes.
long term goals. So I think it's a really helpful tool. You can avoid all your problems because this is not in our hand. We can control anything if we are facing some problem. So okay, we
Hmm.
just analyze the problem and look what you can do about
Yes.
to resolve that problem. So I think positive mindset, it's really helpful in
Yeah.
these things you have
To
to handle.
motivate yourself.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So yeah, my way is like that. So yeah.
Okay. So, sir, ma'am, I would like to ask you that you just said about it like your hobbies are like one of like reading, right? So, what kind of book do you like the most when you just it comes about reading?
Okay, so when it comes about reading, so yeah, I mostly like self-help books, and it's really motivated, and you feel different. Okay, sometimes it's kind of boring. You
Ah,
unable to connect.
yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
but currently what I did, I connected it my learning journey, English learning
Okay.
journey. So that's why I am feeling means very fascinating to me
Yes.
to read books, and so yeah, and there are many things you got from the books, the writer thoughts, and you are able to get the new ideas. Okay, how can you work on your dream? So there is a one book, Attitude is Everything. So it is a
Okay.
very nice
Yes.
book. I really recommend to everyone should
It's,
read
you
this
should
book
read
actually.
it, yeah.
Yeah,
And
it's
it
a
sounds very good. Like, the name of that book is like really inspiring, right?
yeah,
Attitude.
true.
Yeah. I just love that title.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes. And
so
it should be like that. We should have a kind of attitude so nobody can, break your boundaries, right? It's really important that you have to make a line that what is your boundaries, what is mine, right? So you don't let the people break it, and because those people always comes to bother you, right? So ma'am, I just want to ask you that, tell me, how do you tackle this kind of situation when it comes about like, and very negative people, anxiety, then how do you tackle it, this kind of situation? You might have dealt with this kind of situation that time. How you were that time very strong, and what made you very strong that time?
okay, it's a really deep question actually. Yeah,
Yes.
it happens sometimes because we are
Hmm.
living in that world where when means we meet with the people positive and negative mindset. So yeah, when someone means something happened negative with me, so yeah, I feel very bad that time. But
Hmm.
after some time, I listen my heart, means why it's happening, and why uh, what I need to do on this. So I thought about this. I analyzed the things accordingly, and moving forward according the situation, what I need to do. Okay, if that is important, maybe sometimes negative things happen, means that is important for us, means like we cannot avoid that negative
Yes.
thing.
Hmm.
So we should take the action accordingly. Like my favorite thing is just ask yourself. No one,
Yes.
no one.
Is this that person is important for you? If it is important, then solve it out. Otherwise, let it be. Speak. Let them speak what they want to speak. It never affects me, right? This is comes at first to your mind, right? So this is
Yeah,
how
yeah,
just I tackle those kind of situation when I just get into kind of like this kind of situation. If there are a lot of negative people, they are just means backbiting you, or making your life hell. I don't care about of them. Like, I never ever let those kind of people affect in my life, right? This is my life. I have my own key. I don't want to give any kind of people like my happiness key. So I
yeah,
feel that okay, let them do their work. I'm just very happy. Whatever the situation comes, it will definitely go. If it is bad situation I'm dealing with right now, definitely it's going to pass right now. Okay, then for the future, because all the time changes, right? So this is
true.
what we have to think about it. Let it be what is going on. We
Yeah,
can, some things we cannot change all the time, right?
no,
So
we
we
can.
have to accept those,
Yeah,
right?
it is not possible.
Sometimes people we have to accept what they are, right? Even the nasty people or good people, you can't help it accepting.
Yeah, and
Yes.
I want to one more thing here. Actually, if someone is talking about ourselves, it means something special in us.
You are right. The
You are
same thing.
doing,
Oh, somebody is like talking to me, talking about me, backbiting or doing something like negativity, spreading the negative things about me. They won't only defame me, right? So I feel that there's something important, something very good thing in me. Like, that's why they are just like backbiting or doing so. They have nothing to do about talking about me. They have nothing to do. They have
yeah,
like only the rest things. They are just talking about me. So I feel it's very good. It's not bad for
yeah,
me. Just
and
talk.
it's something we are doing, and they are just getting.
Great. Yeah, that's why.
So it means we have something special.
I totally agree with this topic right now. Okay. So, ma'am, I'd like to, and really, I'm just enjoying this conversation because I'm talking my mind and my heart, everything like that. You are just
Yeah,
talking, it's really
same here.
relatable. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So, ma'am, I would like to ask you that suppose that you are in a place where you have to give a introduction, not introduction, but including you have to deliver some speech in English. If you that time, if you just get blanked, okay, so how do you tackle that? Do you means would you feel very awkward, or would you think about, okay, I'll manage it no matter at all, it's not a big deal if we just get blank? So how would you just do this kind of situation, tackle this kind of situation?
Okay, if I some
Very different kind of question I'm asking.
yeah, it's a totally different question, but
Yes.
okay,
Hmm.
no worries. I will try to answer.
Okay.
Yeah, if I face this kind of situation in
Oh,
my life, no, Amang, if I face, then
okay.
yeah, I'll means no, nothing is coming in my mind. I get blank and unable. Yeah, it is really embarrassed situation, but
Hmm.
I'll try to cover it, cover up it,
Hmm.
and I'll use something means different. And also, if you are speaking, if you are doing something, I think people also supports you. So don't
Hmm.
worry
Yes.
about their negativity, what they think. Just go with the flow and don't
Yes.
worry about the people. Okay, take your pause, take a sip of water, and then again start. So
Yes.
I
That's
think
a
it
very
is,
good thing.
yeah, it is the better way. Just okay, they are also people, and these kind of things happens with everyone. So
Yeah.
just don't forget, and everyone supports you, really
Hmm.
support. They also want
Yes.
to, okay, if you failed here, then what kind of feeling is this?
Ah,
Everyone.
they can
So
relate you, right? They can relate, and they understand that what you might be feeling right now, right? They understand about it. And that time, if I am talking about my situation, if I, yes, many time it happened with me. That time, what I speak in Hindi. Okay, I don't feel regret about it, because we are just, like a Hindi speaker, we can say like that. So our first language. So why would I just feel ashamed of speaking like that? My mother tongue. Why would I just think about it? So I feel that it's okay when you speak a little bit Hindi. If you don't understand, even the syllabus are talking like that. Okay, sometimes they get stuck anywhere. So I feel it's not bad. But yes, you should not be thinking that, oh my God, what to do? I'm just right now, I'm not getting it. Am I sound very bad about it? No, I don't feel it like anymore. I would say, okay, my conversation would go on like, right. So I don't feel like that. Yeah, it's learning phase. I'm learning right now, and no matter if I just speak a little bit Hindi in between, between
yeah,
the
it's not
conversation or something like that.
yeah, it's not a bad
Yeah,
thing. Yeah, it's
yeah.
not a bad
So this is
thing.
how, and you know what? We are the responsible to make the things very light, right? How you just tackle it depends on you, right?
Yeah,
So
it's
yeah,
a we are totally different. So yeah, our
depends on that.
ways are also different.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. So I'm not going to take your lot of time, but the last
But
question I'm just going to ask you. Okay, because I'm talking and enjoying you. Okay.
yeah,
So I would like to
same
ask you. Yes. Okay. I would like to ask you. Suppose that you have to go somewhere, and that the day you are like, you are doing everything, and now it's a time where you have to go outside. All of a sudden, if somebody comes to you and only for you, then how would you tackle it? Because you made that plan for a long, and now they just came right now. So it happened with many, all of like a lot of people. Just tell me that time, what would you feel like that? So tell me about your experience if you had like that something.
Mm, okay, means I never experienced this kind of situation because
Okay, in
now
future, if you just feel like that.
all have phones, so we already informed it to each other. Okay, we are coming, so don't go anywhere. But
Ah,
yeah,
yes, yes, it happens. Yeah, but sometimes happens. Now, happened with me. That's why I'm asking you. And I said, there's a call. There's a lot of things to connect with the people. Why didn't you call me even? At least I just dropped my plan. If you had spoken about it, I would have like dropped my plan.
hmm,
But people like that, it happens in the life. Okay, let it be this kind of question. I dealt with that. Okay. Okay. Now next, the last question, because we are just only one question I'll ask you.
no
Okay.
worries, no
So
worries.
okay, no issues. So okay, I just want to ask you, just tell me some important tips if somebody wants to learn English and they are beginners. So how would you just give them like suggestion and something like, how would you give them like kind of suggestion?
Okay. I feel I'm not at that level. I can advise that. Okay, uh, as per my experience, I can
Yes.
advise. Yeah. So I think first of all, don't worry about the things, how
Hmm.
things works for you, and what people think about you, and you are not good enough. So forget all these things, because you,
Hmm.
if you have to start something, you know about your goals. So just
Hmm.
start with your broken language, just start with what you have in your mind. Means, okay, I know we have, when initial time we have less vocabulary, less sentence structures, but we should start, because if we want to be somewhere, so I think we have to take a first step. And when you take, I know, taking first step is very crucial and very
Yes.
yeah, and
Difficult.
very difficult, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
I think if you are able to do that, so universe also supports you, people also
Ah,
support you,
exactly.
you get the people like you, and the things change as you want actually.
Yes.
So I think first step is really
And the
important.
relatable things start happening in front of us, like, yeah, you might have seen, like, if we just love to watch those kind of videos, our feed always gives and provides those kind of videos automatically, right? So
True.
this is how universe helps us. Yes.
Yeah,
So I just
truly.
believe in that. Yeah, when you just choose something to do, and by it's a pure heart, when you start with a pure heart, it's a really good intention behind it. So definitely universe works with you, right? This is what we
Yeah,
have to be
you
like
have
that.
to surrender to your god,
Yeah.
your universe.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really. Then just don't doubt on him, just
Yes.
believe in him, and he helps you in every ways. You can't
Everywhere.
listen. It means he gives you the means different things and plans and people, means you never imagine, but
Yes, right.
you are able to relate. Okay,
Hmm.
I've started, and that's why it's
Yes.
happening.
And you know what? I was not meant to be a kind of teacher. Like, I didn't think even sing means it was. I hadn't had this kind of inkling like that. One day I'll be teacher. But see what I'm doing right now. It was not planned for me, but God has planned for me. Right now I'm teaching. I'm just surrounded with a lot of students. This became my favorite work, or one of like my favorite work. Right. So this is how universe works before you. Right. So
Yeah,
I really enjoyed a lot, and listening you, I feel really energetic and positive right now, literally, ma'am. And next time I'm definitely going to connect you. If you have time, let me know. Okay, definitely, I'll
sure,
definitely
sure,
just
sure.
want to connect with you.
Yeah, we will
Because
choose any topic, and then we will
yes, we will choose a topic and we will have a kind of conversation, because it was our first conversation. So we just only get to know to each other like what we are right now. Yeah.
okay.
So I enjoyed a lot, and thank you for coming here, ma'am. Absolutely, it was a wonderful conversation, candid
Thank you
conversation.
so much.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
I really enjoyed, and thank you so much for inviting me and your time. I really enjoyed. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay.